Have you encountered this issue where your clip turns red and it says media offline? No worries, I got you. This happens when DaVinci Resolve can't find your clips. There are some reasons why this happen. Maybe you accidentally deleted the file, you moved the file in different destination, or you renamed a folder. Take a look at this example. This is the original address of the file. If I rename this folder, if you compare the address, you can see the new address is different to the original one. The DaVinci Resolve is relying to the original address and that's why the editor can't find the file. Now, how do we fix it? Let's start with what if you deleted the file. You have to restore it to the same folder. You can go to the recycle bin and restore the file. If you deleted the contents of your recycle bin, you can download the exact same clip and make sure the original and the new clip has the same name and put it on the same folder. How about file has been moved to another location or you renamed the folder where the file is currently in? Well, there are two ways. You can move your clip back to its original location or for the folder issue, change the name of the folder back to its original name. But if, for some reasons, if you can't do this, let's say you need to free up some space on your drive, that's why you move it on a different location or you change the name of the folder to organize your files. You can follow these instructions. Go to your media pool, find the affected clips, right click, and go to clip operations and relink selected clips. A window will pop up. You don't need to find the file, just find the folder where the files are currently in. So in my case, it's in the volume D, files, and then location 2. Alright? Then click select folder. Now, if you are sure that the files are in there, don't worry. Sometimes this message shows. Just click close and then perform comprehensive search. Right. DaVinci Resolve find the clips automatically. And that's how you fix the media not found error in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helps, please help me by clicking the like button and don't forget to subscribe.